Thank you so much for giving so much love to the previous video on the popular web series Kota Factory Season 1. If you haven't seen that video, then you may go to the link given in the description of this video and watch the full summary video of Season 1 first. Today in this video, we will discuss the lessons you can learn from Kota Factory Season 2. So let's get started without any delay. Smart idea number 1. Stop calling it dream. Start calling it your aim. When Bernally comes to Jeetu sir a couple of times for not scoring well in the exams, Jeetu sir tells her a bitter truth about wishful thinking. We all have many desires and dreams to fulfill, but the fulfillment of that wish or dream does not happen by chance. We have to have the ability to fulfill that desire so that it can become true. That is why Jeetu sir said, stop calling it dream, start calling it your aim. Because dreams do not become true just by dreaming. Dreams become true only when your dream becomes the aim of your life. Smart idea number 2. Confidence grows when we fight the tough battles. We all want to be confident in life. We try a lot to develop confidence, but still it is not clear to us how to build confidence within us. In this web series, Jeetu sir has the easiest answer to this question. When a student asks him why one should clear IIT, he tells him that if you fight the hardest battle in life, you may win or lose, but your confidence will surely grow. If you can make yourself better than before, if you can eliminate some of your bad habits from your life, if you can solve your problems on your own, confidence will grow in itself. Smart idea number 3. Peer pressure is good unless your peers are idiots. To achieve certain goals in life, living a disciplined life and proper planning are necessary. And the most important factor that matters is the environment you are in. You must ensure that the environment around you is helping you to reach your goals. The people we meet, the places we visit, and what we watch on a regular basis have a huge impact on us. So if we are surrounded by people who help make us reach our goals or help us become a better person than before, then the pressure from our peers will also help us to prosper in life. Smart idea number 4. The fear of something is greater than that thing itself. The greatest superpower we inherit as human beings is our imagination. We can imagine and create something wonderful, but sometimes we negatively misuse this strength. Most of the time, we start thinking about the imaginary problems we are going to face in the future. We are overwhelmed by the fear that some horrible incidents or things are likely to come our way. But in reality, very few of those fears come true. And sometimes indeed, none of them ever happens in our life. But we simply cannot accept the fact, and it becomes difficult to get rid of those imaginary frights. As a result, we cannot concentrate on important tasks assigned to us. That's why Neha ma'am advised Vartika to stop overthinking and to give her best by living in the present. Smart idea number 5. Celebrate failure. We all plan to be successful in life and we know how to celebrate success. But we don't think at all about failure and how to deal with it. We all know that success or failure is not in our hands. We can only try to give our 100% to our work or commitments. And that's why at the end of the web series, when the JEE results are out, Jeetu sir arranges a party with all the unsuccessful aspirants who were not selected for slight margins. He means to say that they have already changed their identity to themselves because they all tried hard and give their best in the exam. So let's revise what we learned from this whole web series. Smart idea number 1. Stop calling it dream, start calling it your aim. Just dreaming is not enough. To make a dream come true, one has to make the dream one's aim of life. Number 2. Confidence grows when we fight the tough battles. Finding solutions to life's most difficult problems is an easy way to build self-confidence. Number 3. Peer pressure is good unless your peers are idiots. It is very important to have positive-minded people around us who will help us grow more. Number 4. The fear of something is greater than that thing itself. The only way to overcome fear is to work with 100% dedication. There is no use fearing the imaginary problems that might happen in the future. Number 5. Celebrate failure. Success and failure in life are not in our hands, so we should celebrate both success and failure in every step of life. I hope you enjoyed the summary video of Kota Season 2 and you will share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching the video till the end. More wisdom, more solution, better life.